Welcome to Lake Garda, Italy's largest and most peaceful lake. A place where time slows down, and every view feels like a painting. Lake Garda stretches across three regions, Lombardy, Veneto, and Trentino Alto Adige. It's more than 50 kilometers long, but every corner has its own charm. You'll find ancient castles, quiet villages, and scenic roads hugging the shoreline. People come here to relax, to walk, to breathe. You can feel the peace in the air. Start with Sirmione. This magical peninsula is famous for its medieval castle and thermal waters. Wander through cobbled streets, or soak in a hot spring while the lake sparkles nearby. Next is Limone Garda, a town kissed by the sun. Colorful houses, lemon gardens, and towering cliffs make it one of the most scenic spots on the lake. And don't miss Malcesine, with its old fortress and cable car ride to Monte Baldo. From the top, you'll see snow and sunshine in the same view. Lake Garda isn't just for sightseeing. Taste local wine in a vineyard overlooking the water. Explore olive farms that still use traditional methods. Or take a boat to a quiet cove where there's no one else, only you, the waves, and the mountains. As the sun sets, the lake turns golden. There's no rush, no noise, just peace. This is the heart of Lake Garda. A place to reset your soul. If you're looking for beauty, peace, and a bit of magic, Lake Garda is waiting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on more peaceful journeys around the world.